Kamera, akcija. Elvis Duspara wrote a book, Earth Circle, few years back. This is a good book about the concept of flat Earth. I really recommend this book if you are interested in the topic of flat Earth. Here Elvis Duspara, Croatian writer, presented to his readers idea of flat Earth in the biblical view. And this book contains about 500 pages. It is a great book. I think it is not still translated in English or German language. It gives you the basic concepts of flat Earth. As you know, currently we can't be sure if NASA or other agencies are telling us the truth. We can't for sure know if the Earth is really round or it is flat, or it is some other shape, maybe concave. So on the page 179 you can see that in the magazine Popular Science from 1931, on the page 23, we see that Professor Picard, it is not Jean-Luc Picard from Star Trek, Professor Picard said that Earth from the height of 16 kilometers looks like as a plain disk with up-bended edges. So maybe because of the investigation of the Professor Picard, maybe the Earth is concave in shape. We can be sure. There is the theory from Lord Stephen Christ, American video producer, and he claims that Earth is concave in shape. Here Elvis Duspara, biblical writer, he likes theology, Christian theology, he likes biblical concepts, so he thinks the Earth is flat. On the other side, as I mentioned, we have Stephen Christopher from America. He claims that Earth is round. On the third side, we have the Croatian author Igor Kostolac, who claims that Earth is round. Earth is flat, but we do not know what is above and what is below. So we have different ideas. And of course, the fourth part is, fourth representative or fourth idea or theory is NASA's or official science that said that Earth is a round planet and it rotates with the speed of 1,600 kilometers per hour. It rotates really fast. So we have different options. We do not know which is true. And Elvis Duspara here gave us some of his thoughts, some of his researches. So maybe we can do a little more investigation to find the answer, to find the proper answer where we live. Today is 23rd year. We still, if you are critical, if your reason is high enough, you can say that you do not know on which planet you live. I mean, on what shape that planet is. Which shape? What shape? That is the question for today. And we have, as I said, 4 or maybe more options. We do not know, but we need to investigate. And Elvis Duspara done a good job to investigate into this topic of the shape of the Earth. Thank you, Elvis Duspara, for your efforts. Thank you, Elvis Duspara, for this amazing book, which I recommend. I also recommend someone to translate this book into English so more people can familiarize themselves with the concept of flat Earth and with the concept of biblical view of Earth's shape. Earth Circle, that's the title of this book. Earth's Circle. And Elvis thinks that the circle looks like this, presented on the cover of his book.